Polling in 4 assembly constituency in Manipur is underway amid coronavirus pandemic and tight security. Voting began at 7 a.m. 62% voter turnout recorded till 2 p.m. Bypolls in Wangoi, Wangjin, Tentha, Saitu and Lilong assembly seats have been necessitated after sitting Congress MLAs resigned from the party in August. BJP, INC and National People's Party (NPP) have failed candidates in the bypolls. The Bharat Biotech is aiming to launch its vaccine, Covaxin, in February, which could be the first vaccine available in India. The centre is finalizing the vaccine delivery procedure, including identifying the priority groups that will administer the vaccine first and at no cost. India today registered 50,357 new coronavirus cases in a single day, pushing the country's tally to over 84.62 lakh. According to the Union Health Ministry data, with the fresh number of coronavirus infections, India's tally has climbed to 84,62,081. According to the update Health Ministry data, 557 coronavirus patients succumbed to the coronavirus in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll in the country due to the infections to over 1.25 lakhs. US media said Joe Biden is likely to be the 46th president of the United States as he secures leads in key battleground states of Georgia and Pennsylvania. A media report said Biden, who has secured more votes than any presidential candidate in US history, has been trailing Republican President Donald Trump in both states early. A combined team of 39 Assam Rifle and Police Commando unit Kakching during frisking and checking arrested 2 active cadre of the band KYKL last afternoon at Wangu Lamkhai area. Our correspondent reports the arrests were identified as Thongnawjam Robin Singh, aged 32 years of Hojai Gongor Chachar in Assam, and Laisram Ding Thoinganbi, aged 34 years of Chairel Mayailekai. Commuters have been using Khopum Road connecting Rampang and Bisnupur district after Irang Bridge located along National Highway 37 has collapsed on November 1st. Even though 80% stretch of the road is in good condition, some parts of it are still in a bad shape, owing to which people are facing difficulties while traveling. Manipur's Gainindro Ningombam has been elected as the president of Hockey India. Gainindro has become the first person from the northeast to get the top post. He was elected to the post unopposed. Gainindro, who have been officiating as the president of Hockey India since July this year after Mohammad Aftar Ahmad resigned on July 7, 2020 from the post, was elected during the 10th Hockey India Congress and elections recently held in New Delhi. The All Bodo Student Union ABSU has expressed serious concern over rumors and false propaganda on BTR Accords being spread by political leaders from various parties during campaign for BTC polls. As per media reports, ABSU President Daipen Boro said false information has been circulated by vast interests regarding the land rights of the non-tribals and non-Bodo people living in East while BTAD and now BTR during the election campaign. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India has approved upgradations of existing state government or central government run college by increasing MBBS seats. According to Under-Secretary of Government of India, Amit Biswas, the seats will be increased to 150 from 100 from the next season. A day before Myanmar goes to its 4th parliament polls in 3 decades, the country's all-powerful military has warned President U Win Mint with imprisonment if he fails to properly uphold constitutional responsibilities. As per media reports, some were not ruling out a military takeover if Aung San Suu Kyi National League for Democracy want to deceive a majority that could enable it push through critical amendment to drastically grab the military control in Myanmar.